Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our magical beach, where the ocean keeps a wonderful secret. What could it possibly be? Have you ever built a beautiful sandcastle close to the water, only to watch the waves wash it all away? And later, the water is so far away. It's a mystery. This is called the tide. But who is behind it? Let's look up for a clue. High in the night sky, we have a very special friend watching over us. It's the moon. The moon has a secret superpower called gravity. It's like an invisible string pulling things towards it. This invisible string gently pulls on our whole planet Earth. But it pulls on the water even more, because water loves to move. Imagine all the water in the ocean gathering together for a big hug right underneath the moon. This creates a bulge. When this big bulge of water reaches our beach, we call it high tide. The water level rises up high. High tide is the perfect time for swimming and riding the fun waves that come closer to the shore. Whee! But wait, there's another secret. A second high tide happens on the complete opposite side of the Earth at the same time. It's because the moon's pull is also tugging on the Earth itself, leaving some water behind to form another bulge. So, we always have two high tides happening on our planet at once. It's like the Earth is getting two watery hugs. If the water is bulging in two spots, what happens in between them? The water level has to go down somewhere. Exactly. In those places, the water level is much lower. We call this low tide. The ocean seems to shrink back. Low tide is a time for discovery. You can find beautiful shells, little tide pools, and fascinating sea creatures left behind. Our Earth is always spinning, like a slow-motion merry-go-round. This is why the tides are always changing throughout the day. As your part of the world spins into one of the watery bulges, you get a high tide. Splash! Then, as you spin away from the bulge, the water level goes down, and you get a low tide. So peaceful. But the moon isn't working alone. The big, bright sun also has gravity, but it's much, much farther away. When the sun and moon are in a line, they pull together. It's like they're playing a game of tug-of-war on the same team. This teamwork creates extra high tides and extra low tides. We call these super tides, spring tides. But sometimes the sun and moon are not in a line. They pull on the Earth's water from different directions. This causes weaker tides that are not so high and not so low. These are called neap tides. They're very gentle. So, the mystery is solved. The moon's gravity is the main reason we have the amazing rhythm of the ocean tides. It pulls the water into two high tides. And in between, we get two low tides, happening every single day. And our friend the sun helps out too, making the tides extra strong or a little weaker depending on its position. The tides are like a giant, slow clock for our planet. They are super reliable, and we can predict them perfectly. This shows us how everything in nature is connected, from the tiny crab on the beach to the giant moon in the sky. Everyone and everything has a part to play, no matter how big or small, or how far away they seem to be. Just like the sun and moon work together, we can achieve wonderful things when we cooperate and work in harmony with nature. Our world is full of amazing mysteries and incredible science, just waiting for curious minds like yours to explore them. So always keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the wonderful world all around you. You're a scientist. We hope you had fun learning about the magical dance of the ocean tides with us today. It was a pleasure. If you want to solve more amazing mysteries and learn cool science facts, ask your parents to help you subscribe. Click the button so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, little explorers. See you again very soon.